now where some things will observe now. There is some things will observe now, and now the thing now this is called something is going wrong, bro. Do you know? Onwezi onye na-emekọta akpa ibie na phone chacha onwezi onye na-emekọta akpa ibie na phone si adị anyị kero ka email kero ọbụna guy we change go too much we change go. I could remember last time mkpọkwuru mmadụ or mmadụ kpọọ m na phone si m no onwezi enwere ọgwụ onwezi enwere ọgwụ. People are becoming so serious with a lot of things now. People are becoming so serious, guy. I don't know what's going on, bro. Mweze enwere ọgwụ mweze na-emekọta akpa ibie si adị anyị jo akwa manjakịrị man, you know, guy, everything now abụkọla ego guy. It's not like I don't know about more. I don't know about women if they still call themselves and ask how are you doing, you know, like girly thing, you know. I don't know, bro. But for more, okay, bro, Otilo, it's gone. It's gone. That thing, nah, those friends I must say those days in Bypass, how many times have you called them now? Like, no, where's that baby? Where's that baby? You can stay for like, I don't know, but nobody will call you. Where's that buggy guy? When you open up, what is going on? What's going on? But it's really bad. I don't know if it's just for me, but it's really bad. What's going on now is really bad. You know, where is the marine amazing onye nwe bokwe ya onye nara avuzi face to face now. I don't know. Amara mu bi emeketa to phone boy asi adi ike gime ikpoki abo ikponya ugbo labo na ikposiko. I know. I don't know if I'm the only one feeling this thing. Who is a friend? Mara na emeketa akpo ibi over that phone now. Everybody is just so serious with his life now. Is it like because life has become so hard? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Giving them why is it like that? Why is it like that now? Where's there not baby? Nobody calls. Where's there not baby? Guy, how you doing now? You know, you play like your boy, your friend, guy. It's alright. Even our brothers don't call brothers again. Blood brothers don't call blood brothers again, guy. The only people on man like the only time a man and a woman in a who is either man and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, just that, bro. The rest, fuck off. But this is a very serious something, you know. I don't know why. Why is it like that? Am I the only one feeling like this?